everybody. Namaskar.
Namaskar.
I am Ojas Lath and this is Ojas Lath, my colleague. We are from Scottish High International School and today we are going to present and talk about our product, which is very relevant in today's time. While the whole world is witnessing the problems related to environmental degradation, we being the residents of NCR have already been adversely impacted due to these issues. The AQI of NCR has already crossed the danger level.
Many responsible people across the world are doing their bit to tackle this problem. This is why we also decided to do our bit. One of the products, consumption of which has significantly increased in recent years, is cardboard, and the same is made of by cutting trees.
With the aforesaid thoughts in mind, the idea came to develop a product which can be a replacement for paper-based cardboard. As we progressed in our research, we realized that not only we can replace paper as a raw material for cardboard, we can also use waste products to make stronger and better cardboards.
Over the last century, industrialization and the race for economic development have led to an increase in harmful greenhouse gases to a dangerous level, causing global warming and decrease in the green shelter. The paper and paper-based industries are one of the major contributors to this environmental fiasco, producing over 40 million metric tons of carbon dioxide every year. 4 billion trees are just cut to make paper alone. This proves to be a major problem indeed.
Adversity always presents opportunities for introspection. This was said by the former President of India, Honorable APJ Abdul Kalam. And following his words, we started to introspect and came up with this project. Our innovation aims to produce cardboard using waste products like banana peels and groundnut shells as the primary material. With banana peels having a good elasticity and tensile strength, groundnut shells possess strong physical properties. Did you know that the metallic oxides which are present in the groundnut shells match the composition of cement? Thus, these are ideal for cardboard production.
Our project has multi-dimensional value proposition. Replacements of trees as raw materials and instead use of waste products for the same. We wish to add that the replacement of waste as raw material is not only a great contribution to society, but it is also much easier to procure compared to cutting trees and obtaining the raw material. Further on the production side, it is difficult to make cardboard without significant investment in the manufacturing process, whereas you would be surprised to know that this cardboard, which we are showing right here, is using waste material has been made completely in our house. Thus, it is not only better for our environment, but it is better for our pocket as well. And last but not the least is that our product is recyclable after it has been used.
Now let us understand the market potential of our project. You would agree with me that cardboard is something that is used by every individual on earth. Therefore, our total addressable market is 8 billion population on earth. Our high-level estimates suggest that with the recent efforts on raising awareness on the environment, at least half of the world population is serious for environmental issues, that is 4 billion people, which we take as our served addressable market. We being Indians want to first place the product in every nook and corner of the country, and therefore our target market right now is 1 billion people. Because of making a cheaper yet stronger product, we can believe that the aforesaid market is easily achievable.
Our business model is as follows. First, banana peels and groundnut shells will be procured from household and commercial units at very low rates. Then, the production process will be done in an area which is well connected to various modes of transportation. We will be involved in B2B business, and therefore these finished products will be supplied to various distributors who will sell it to retailers and in turn sell it to the consumers. At last, it decomposes returning to the earth, after which it is used again as soil or manure to grow bananas and groundnuts and start the process again.
Now, let us discuss our competition. There are few companies in this zone, such as Repack. They have devised a way in which all packaging materials are returned to the company after use. Thus, they are better than us in a way that they are reusing the packaging. But we are better than them. As they are not finding sustainable alternatives to the packaging, they are simply reusing it. Next up is Eco-Enclose. They have devised a way to create a variety of packaging materials using seaweed and algae. They are better than us as they are creating many things such as tapes, eco-friendly inks, etc. But we are better than them as we are using cardboard, and cardboard is much stronger for cardboard production. Groundnut shells and banana peels ensure that we are producing a strong cardboard. Next up is Eco-Packables. They have devised a way to make packaging materials using cornstarch. They are better than us as their product biodegrades in only 3 days. But we are better than them as we use waste materials for our selling price is cheap. And the most interesting part is that none of these companies have a manufacturing unit in India, which is our target market.
There are many companies which are choosing to switch to eco-friendly packaging. These include Kellogg's, which is a cereal company, switched to eco-friendly packaging in 1906. Calvin Klein, a clothes brand, which switched to eco-friendly packaging in 2010. Zara, also a clothing brand, switched to eco-friendly packaging and environmentally friendly materials in 2001. And Puma, the sportswear brand, switched recently to eco-friendly materials in 2020.
Our journey so far is as follows. We started working on this project in 2023. At first, we placed it in few academic competitions to see how the world views this innovation. But we received negative results. After various improvements in the product, we got chosen in the top teams of ATL Marathon and got selected for the Student Entrepreneurial Program, SIP. In the training session, we learned how to scale this product to a business level, how to make it better. There were experts helping us constantly. They taught us the basics and essentials for starting and running a company. We are really grateful for the ATL Marathon team to help us in learning all these skills.
Now let us know the tractions and future projections. We have planned to keep going ahead with our project so we can make a successful company, post which we will try to make different products in a sustainable range so that we can expand both our target market and profit margins. All of this with the positive impact we create on the environment.
This is the impact we create on the environment. Our cardboard is one of the very few packaging materials that leave behind negligible adverse environmental impacts. Effective use of kitchen waste, and our product is completely biodegradable. Our product also requires energy for its making, but its need is easily fulfilled by renewable energy sources. Our product is much better than evils like plastic.
Now, we will tell you about our team. Currently, we are 2 people. As somebody said, more than one is many. Ojas Lath will be in charge of prototyping, production, as well as selling the product and managing the accounts. Ojas Singla, me, will be in charge of marketing, creating the accounts of the e-commerce as well as updating them and also managing all of the orders received online. As we expand our business, we will start hiring more for an easier production process and easy management so that we can scale up the company.
In conclusion, all I would like to say is that following the principles we learned from the G20 meet held in 2023 in India, which is one earth, one family, one future, at the same time continuing the Indian philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, meaning the whole earth is one family. We should work together to eradicate the cause that is harming our environment. This product is just a small contribution in that regard. Thank you.